touching beats and feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video, and today we're going to do the best damn Reuben sandwich you've ever had. I guarantee you that. But hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the best damn Reuben you ever had. So the supporting cast, very simple. Reuben is a simple sandwich, but it's so good when you melt all those flavors together. So of course you gotta have a corned beef. We made corned beef and cabbage a few days ago. So this is my leftover corned beef. I did it in a pressure cooker. If you want to see a video, I have a video that's already up of corned beef and cabbage. That's on my website. I'll tag it in the up here at the top so you can see it. But I got a few pieces of corned beef. Now traditionally, Reuben, Swiss cheese, yeah, it's great, but I want to take it a little different. I got 2 pieces of Gouda, I got 2 pieces of Munster, and some provolone. I don't know which one I want to use. I probably use the Gouda because I like that combination, but I got my choices here. Got my sauerkraut there, a little bit of butter. Now, there's the argument of whether you use French dressing or you use Thousand Island, and I'm not making my own today. I'm using Thousand Island from Kraft, just $3 at the store, whatever. So I like the Thousand Island over French, but it's your choice, whatever you'd like to do. And then of course you got a rye bread. I'm using the beef steak Harvey rye. And that's essentially all the ingredients, but I am doing this on my Steelmadeusa griddle. So if you want one of these griddles, all you have to do is click on the link in my description and it'll take you over to the website. You give them Bigtone 5 as your product code when you check out. It gives you 10% off your purchase of anything on the website. And I didn't even know this, guys, but they actually, you can make payments on these now. So you can make like 4 payments at a certain amount. But hey guys, let's get started putting this together. Enough talk. The first thing I want to do is I want to get on my corned beef. I just want to warm it up a little bit. I got 3 pieces here, and I cut them about 1/4 inch thick. And we're just going to get those warm because it was cold. They've been in the refrigerator. So we're going to get those warm. And this corned beef in the pressure cooker, 1.5 to 2 hours, falls apart in your mouth. So we're going to get this warm and get it falling apart again. And I'm going to throw my sauerkraut on here as well, just to get that warm. Alright, put on a little bit of sauerkraut there. Turn down the heat just a little bit. Alright, just that fast. You can see I just moved my sauerkraut to the middle just to keep it warm. It's already hot, so I'm just going to keep it warm there. And we're going to tend to our... Yeah, we're going to cook that a little bit longer on that side, flip them over, then we'll construct the sandwich together. While this is going, I'm going to put... I got a little bit of butter there. I'm going to put one of my pieces of rye bread down on the butter, on the griddle. While that's warming up, I'm going to throw on a piece of my smoked Gouda as well. And then on top of that, I'm going to lay a little bit of my Thousand Island dressing. And so we're just waiting for the corned beef to get a little hot. I already flipped them over. As you can see, that side's got a little brownness to them. So we're just waiting for the corned beef to get hot. We're going to put those on top, and we're going to get cooking. Let me check my underside of my bread there. It's nice. It's getting brown. I'm going to take the corned beef, place it right here on the bread. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we're going to grab some of our sauerkraut. Gonna put that right on top. And the next thing, we're gonna top that with another piece of smoked Gouda. And we're gonna add our other piece of bread here on top. Before I do that, I'm sorry. I'm gonna add another line of my Thousand Island dressing. Just a little bit. Alrighty. So, since the other side's been browning for a little while, we're gonna take the sandwich. We're just gonna flip it. Ah, look at that. Look at that. I told you this is the best damn Reuben you're ever gonna have. You're gonna think you're at Cat's Deli in New York. Which, I gotta say, that's probably one of my better Reubens I've ever had ever. But this is gonna be better. So, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cover it. Just a little trick. Sprinkle some water around it. Just to steam. Get that cheese to melt it. And I'll be back and I'll show you the finished product. I'm gonna use my press here, my bacon press. I'm gonna press the sandwich down just a little bit here for about a minute or two. Then I'm gonna cover it again, let that cheese melt. But I wanted to show you that this is not something you have to do. It's just an optional part that presses the sandwich down a little bit better. Best damn Reuben you ever taste. I guarantee it. You make it at home, it's always better. Now I gotta say, Cat's Deli has got a good Reuben, but this is homemade. So, hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Let me get that. Homemade, the best damn Reuben you've ever had. I guarantee it. Hey guys, I'm done talking. I'm gonna get a bite. It smells so good. Oh, I'm sorry. I was very close to heaven. This thing is awesome. Hey guys, you need to try this at home. And if you want one of the Steelmadeusa griddles, just click on the description or the link in the description. Takes you over to the website. You enter Bigtone 5 as your product code. At checkout, it gives you 10% off. Hey guys, there's nothing better. Homemade Reuben. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.